Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you the simplest and the easy way to create Gmail account within some few minutes. First of all, go to Google, type gmail.com, and there's a drop down there you can choose from Gmail account. You want to create Gmail account. Okay, then as you can see over there, select create Gmail account and click on create an account. So a dialog box will appear for you to fill in your personal details or the personal information. First is the first name, so you type in your first name, then you move to your last name, so we type in your last name. Okay, after typing, you come to the username, that's the name that you are going to use anytime you want to log in into your account. So I'll just use the name that I use, that Benjamin Mensah. So I'm using the same name, Benjamin Mensah. Okay, but unfortunately something happened. That name has been used by someone. So for you to get that the same name, you can add some digits to your name and Google will accept it. So I just add 8219, it's an initial, so 8. Then you create your password. So you choose any password that you want. Then at the same time you confirm the password. So it's supposed to be the same or Google will reject it. Okay, then you click next. Yeah, and another dialog box will appear for you to fill in. First is your contact number. Google you want to see your contact number. So it's number, that's why I don't want anybody to see. It's my number, my personal number. That's why I don't want anybody to see. So you key in your number. Recovery email is optional. If you like, you have another email, you can use it, but if you don't, no problem. Then you fill in your birthday. So I just put in it. This is not my birthday, but I'm just using it to create an account. So I just put in anything, August 1st, August 1990. Then you come to gender. It's male account, so I choose male. Then you click next. Okay, everything we are almost done. Then it's about the terms and conditions. So the moment you click, then it takes you to another page. It takes a few minutes. We're almost done. Yeah, we are done. It's the simplest way to get Gmail account. Thank you everybody.